Stop what you're doing. A major development in the Gaza conflict just broke. Edan Alexander, a 21-year-old Israeli-American soldier, is set to be freed by Hamas on Tuesday, May 14th. This release is seen as a crucial step towards renewing ceasefire talks between Hamas and Israel. Mediators Qatar and Egypt view this as a positive move to ease tensions and bring humanitarian aid to Gaza. President Trump's envoy, Adam Bowler, called the release a positive step and urged for the return of the remains of 4 other Americans. The release comes amidst a devastating conflict that began with a deadly Hamas attack on October 7, 2023, leading to thousands of casualties and a severe humanitarian crisis in Gaza. Israel maintains its stance of negotiating under fire, continuing its offensive until all hostages are freed and Gaza is demilitarized. Meanwhile, Hamas insists on ending the war and rejects demilitarization. Stay tuned as we follow this developing story and its implications for peace in the region. For more updates, subscribe and stay informed.